Hi everyone. So I noticed that the numbers at our curb were getting all faded out, and I missed the guy when he came by our neighborhood to repaint them. So I was thinking that maybe I could just replicate it using my Cricut. So I cut out my house numbers. They're 3.5 inches tall on my Cricut using the Arial font, and I'm using both of these are outdoor vinyl. And this white is to cover the white that was on my curb, and it's 5.5 by 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the Dollar Tree magic cover, and I'm going to put this over that so I can stick it onto the white and then just put the white down. So I'm going to burnish this with my Cricut scraper. And then I'm going to use my mat here to try and attempt to center it. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to crease my vinyl. And again, this is outdoor vinyl, and I've used it before on things that I put outside, and it holds up really well. And I'm going to crease my numbers here. Whenever you crease your vinyl that you're going to apply, you have to make sure you don't use the edges of the transfer tape. You use the measurement of your vinyl. So now that I've got the center here, I think that's going to look pretty good right there. Peel this up. And then I'm going to go transfer it onto my curb, and I'll attach a picture of how it looks.